Welcome to watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel for the new people and like this the good videos talking about jobs. The people all around the world need the job. Why do you need a job? Okay, now we can watch the video that these people need jobs. Now they show about their schedules, experience for answer the question above.
Hello, I'm 16 now, and my parents don't give me an allowance anymore. I want to earn some money, because I like to go out with my friend on the weekend. I go to school at 8 o'clock, and get home around 4:30. My parents own a restaurant, so I know a little about restaurant work.
Hell, I study French and want to be a teacher someday. I have classes all day on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and on Wednesday and Friday afternoon. I usually study on weekends. I need a job because college is really expensive. I don't have any experience, but I'm a fast learner. My husband is an accountant and makes good money, but we don't save very much. We live in a small apartment, and we have a new baby. We want to save money to buy a house. I take care of the baby, so I need a job I can do at home. I can type well, and I have a new computer.
Welcome to my channel.
What will I learn from the English lesson reading and writing practice? This conversation talk about Mr. Jones is talking to Mr. Rooney, who he has just met in a cafe. They are having a conversation when Mr. Jones asks Mr. Rooney what he does for a living.
What is the conversation about occupation about? During this English lesson you will read a short story then answering some questions that are relating to the story. By the end of the lesson you will have practiced reading and writing skills.
English conversation and occupation conversation, reading and writing English lesson.
What do you do for a living?
I'm sorry, I don't understand the question.
What is your occupation?
I'm a mechanic. I work in a garage on Oxford Street.
A mechanic? You must do a lot of work and get very dirty.
Yes, I do lots of work. Every day I fix cars, and it takes a long time to get clean after work.
That is really interesting. How many cars do you think you fix in a day?
On average, I probably fix about 7 cars every day. I do get tired. What sort of job do you have, Nissa?
I don't have a job at the moment.
Why?
I'm at college learning English.
Thanks for the chat. I have to get back to work now.
Yes, thanks also.
Okay, now we match the occupation with the daily activity.
English conversation, a conversation between two friends discussing plans for a winter break.
Hey Mike, throw your stuff in the back and right up front with me.
Okay, Brendan. Thank you for giving me a ride home. I did not want to call my parents because they were at Mimi's Cafe for my aunt's birthday.
Mimi's Cafe? That place has the best burgers in town. The atmosphere is also nice. Good food and a good setting. What more could you ask for? We should eat there after our next basketball game.
Yes, that sounds like a good plan. When is our next game, by the way?
I think it is after winter break, which is a long way off. Do you have any plans set up for the upcoming vacation?
Well, besides going to basketball practices with you, I will most likely be working.
Oh, working? Did you get a new job, or are you still working at Starbucks?
Well, Starbucks was a good first job for me and I loved the people I worked with. However, my work schedule was neither convenient nor easy. My manager would schedule me only during the times when it was most busy, which is in the morning when there is a constant coffee rush. It was definitely very difficult and a conflict to my class schedule.
Well, what are you doing now at your new job?
Well, I am an administrative assistant for a company called Multimax. I have done a little training, but I do not know what the full job entails. From what I have seen, it is mostly inputting data into the computer and following up on customers' orders.
Oh, that sounds pretty easy. When did you start this new job?
I have been with Multimax since November 1st. Well, what about you? Do you have any plans for a break?
Not really. I think I am just going to hang out at home and read some books. I am planning a snowboarding trip though. You should come if you are not too busy working at your new job.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Who is going and where are you guys going to go snowboarding?
As of right now, my roommates, Jay and Christian, are planning to go. And there are Josh, Alexis, and Anne. We are planning to go to Big Bear. I hear that there are pretty good conditions for skiing and snowboarding this season up there.
Yes, that is what I heard as well. The whole trip sounds like fun. Where are you guys staying at? Did you rent out a cabin?
No, we did not. My cousin actually owns a cabin up there, and he said it is okay for us to stay at his place for the weekend when I spoke with him last Friday. The cabin is not far away from the ski slopes and the eateries, so it should be a convenient place.
Would it be okay with your cousin if I come along as well? I am not sure whether I can go. However, since I am talking to you, I might as well ask now just in case my schedule permits.
I am sure that will be fine. He did not tell me there is a limit on the number of people I could bring, so you are more than welcome to join us.
Awesome. I am so excited. Well, I will check my schedule, and I will give you an update tomorrow. Hey, that is my house on the corner. Thanks again for the ride, Brendan.
You are welcome, Mike. Have a good night and I will talk to you later about the trip.
English conversation. I start work at 5 for learner.
So, do you usually come to the gym in the morning?
Yeah, I do. I usually come here at 10 o'clock.
Really? What time do you go to work?
Oh, I work in the afternoon. I start work at 5.
Wow, that's late. When do you get home at night?
I usually get home at midnight.
Midnight? That's late. What do you do exactly?
I am a chef. I work at the Pink Elephant.
That's my favorite restaurant.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, thank you. How much are these gloves?
The gray ones? They're $18.
Oh, that's not bad. Do they come in black?
No, sorry, just gray.
Okay, how much is that scarf?
Which one? The blue and orange one?
No, the yellow one.
Let's see. It's $24.95.
It's really pretty. I'll take it. Hello, I want to show about the meaning of colors in the United States. 1. The blue mean truthful. 2. The white mean pure. 3. The gray mean boring. 4. Black mean sad. 5. It's brown mean friendly. 6. Purple mean mysterious. 7. It's pink mean levying. 8. The red mean exciting. 9. It's orange mean fun. 10. The yellow mean happy. Thank you for watching my video full. Please don't forget subscribe my channel for the new people here and help to like this video. Good luck for you all. Good wish.
Hello, I'm David Garza. I'm a new staff here.
Hi. My name is Elizabeth Silva, but please call me Beth.
Okay, where are you from, Beth?
Brazil. How about you?
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, I love Mexico. It's really beautiful. Oh, good. Son, he is here.
Whose son he?
She our manager. Now we work the same company.
Where is she from?
South Korean. Let's go and say hello. Sorry, what your last name again? Garcia?
Actually, it's Garza.
How do you spell that?
Garza.
Conversation what's soul like?
Sunhee, this is David Garza. He's a new employer from Mexico. Nice to meet you, David. I'm Sunhee Park. David, how's it going?
Fine. Thanks. How are you?
Pretty good.
Hi. So, you're from South Korea?
That's right. I'm from Seoul.
That's cool. What's Seoul like?
It's really nice. It's a very exciting city.
Conversation, where do you work?
Hello friend, where do you work, Andrea?
I work at Thomas Cook Travel.
Oh, really? What do you do there?
I'm a guide. I take people on tours to countries in South America, like Peru.
How interesting.
Yeah, it's a great job. I really love it. And what do you do?
Oh, I'm a student. I have a part-time job, too.
Where do you work?
In a fast food restaurant.
Which restaurant?
Hamburger Heaven. Welcome. Please, can I see your tickets? Yes, here you are. Is it just you two traveling, or is there anyone else? No. It's just the two of us. Do you both have your passports with you? Here they are. I will be going to ask some questions. Just answer with a simple yes or a no. Okay, no problem. Has anyone you don't know asked you to take anything on the plane for them? No. Have you have sole possession of all your luggage since you packed? Yes. Have you at any time left your luggage unattended while being in the airport? No. Do you have any weapons or firearms in your possession? No. Have you any flammable material in your luggage? No. Do you have any perishable food items in your bags or suitcases? No. That's good. Can you put your luggage here, please? Okay. What seat would you like, an aisle seat or a window? Can I have 2 seats near the emergency exit? Wait, I will check for you. Yes, that's okay. I am placing you 2 in 21A and 21B. The gate number is A22. You can start boarding the plane in 30 minutes and the plane will take off in 1 hour. Can you tell me how to get to gate A22? Yes, go straight ahead and turn left at the end, turn right and A22 is there. Follow the signs for your gate number on the bottom of ticket. Thank you for all your help.
Thank you for your watching. Oh, for the new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like. Welcome to my channel. We're talking about last Sunday. Monica was waiting at the bus stop when she saw a traffic accident near a crossroads. Apolloc asked her about what she saw together.
What did you see?
Well, I was waiting at the bus stop when I saw a boy on a bicycle. Generally, these young boys go too fast and I know it's harmful.
And was it?
Yes, a car came across the road to the traffic lights there. They were red, but the driver didn't stop. He turned left and hit the boy.
So what did you see?
Well, I was very concerned and ran to that phone box and called the hospital. An ambulance arrived quickly and after its arrival I spoke to a nurse.
Thank you, that's perfect. Would you like to visit the boy in hospital now?
Oh, yes, please. I would.
Then I'll take you there.
Now I have questions to ask you. 1. Why did a policeman ask Monica some questions? 2. How do young boys usually ride their bicycles? 3. What color were the traffic lights when the car hits the boy? 4. Why was Monica concerned? Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos. Good luck.